Hello, welcome to Today Pass. Can my driving instructor pass me due to the failure of the government allowing learners to book a practical driving test? So yes, you may laugh at this petition, and there is a petition, and this petition is gaining momentum. In the last 24 hours alone, it has received over 10,000 new signatures, bringing the total to, make sure I get this right, 48,500 signatures. Remember, all these petitions need 100,000 signatures to be brought before Parliament before it's considered to be valid or invalid. Now, yes, there has been quite a lot of controversy on this. We've had other driving instructors on YouTube bring this up, myself included, and it's been on Twitter, Facebook, etc. Most of the big companies, as in insurance companies, along the lines of these kind of automobile companies, are completely laughing at this, saying that driving instructors are only trained up to a certain level. This does not validate them to pass anybody due to their training to qualify to be a full driver. Now, my sentiments on this are quite similar in respects, as I do believe that there's a higher level of training beyond the driving instructor to be an examiner to enforce road safety. We must take this seriously because although there are many other implications to this petition, I believe that this is a good thing, and I'll get to that in a minute. However, you could be open to corruption. Examiners wouldn't be open to corruption. However, maybe driving instructors could. So the link is in the description down below to sign this petition. Please write down in the comments below whether you agree or disagree with what I'm saying or the petition in general. Now, the reason being why I'm encouraging people to sign this petition, which is nearly halfway towards reaching Parliament, is because the more petitions that are signed, like the petition to extend the theory test by up to 12 months if you've had it expire. This is actually a more likely way of people being allowed to have an extension, get driving test booked in, qualify with an approved driving examiner from the DVSA standards there. However, if we sign this petition to say that driving instructors are allowed and it gets over 100,000 signatures and goes through to Parliament probably going to laugh. However, if they have this petition before them and another petition in for them, and people write to their MPs, because the MPs will have a say on whether these petitions are granted, then there's more awareness, there's more talk, there's more hype, it's trending, etc. So it becomes more of a serious matter to be concerned. At the moment, most of these big companies are trying to dumb down that this will ever happen, quoting the legislation as 2 years validity period, etc. We've heard it all before. However, this does not mean that this will not be granted. Please sign the petition, take action now. Hopefully something will be done. If it's not the latter, then who knows, at least we're trying, and we're trying to create more awareness for this. This is why I'm doing these videos. Everything's in the description down below. I've been Scott, your friendly driving instructor, hence news reporter now due to COVID lockdown. Stay safe, stay tuned, see you next time.